In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. Sub-accounts are a great way to organize your financial data, giving you a clearer picture of your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. By creating sub-accounts, you can group related transactions under a parent account, making your reports more detailed and easier to interpret. Whether you're tracking specific expenses within a category or managing distinct income streams, sub-accounts can help you stay on top of your business finances. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's dive right in. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your gateway to all the settings and customization options in QuickBooks. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select the one labeled Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially the backbone of your accounting system where all your accounts and sub-accounts are organized. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, you'll notice a button in the top right corner that says New Account. Click on this button to start creating your sub-account. Now a form will appear where you can input the details for your new account. The first thing you'll need to do is enter the name of your sub-account. This is how the account will appear in your chart of accounts and reports. So choose a name that clearly represents what you're tracking. Next, you'll need to select the account type. This is a critical step because it determines how the account behaves in your financial reports. QuickBooks categorizes accounts into types like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Choose the account type that best matches what this sub-account will be used for. After that, you'll refine the classification by selecting the detail type. The detail type provides a more specific categorization within the broader account type. For example, if you're creating an expense account, you might choose something like office supplies or advertising as the detail type. Pick the option that best fits your needs. Now here's the key step for creating a sub-account. Look for the checkbox labeled sub-account and make sure to check it. Once you've done that, you'll see a drop-down menu appear where you can select the parent account. The parent account is the main category under which your sub-account will roll up. For example, if you're creating a sub-account for utility expenses, the parent account could be utilities. Once you've filled out all the required fields and double-checked your selections, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button, and just like that, your new sub-account will be added to your chart of accounts. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a sub-account in QuickBooks Online. This feature will help you keep your finances neat, organized, and easy to analyze. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.